I'm sure that you know AI is taking all over the place. It is getting into every industry now, and so it is with e-commerce. AI is now in e-commerce too, and it has been in e-commerce, but the thing is, the usage and the efficiency of AI has been grown so much that maybe you would have seen many of AIs recently in your YouTube feed or in your Google searches like ChatGPT, Jasper, and whatnot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can benefit your dropshipping journey from these AIs by utilizing them properly for absolutely free to enhance your dropshipping game, to fast forward your dropshipping journey and get the most out of it from this AI technology which we have now. So let's get right into it. So the AI which I'll be talking today is Copy.AI. Now why Copy.AI? I will tell you later in this video. But if you go to Google and search for Copy.AI, you will see the first result, which is an ad by them. But you can see there is Copy.AI, write better marketing copy and content with AI. Now if you see a little bit here, you can see the trend for AI has growing like never before, and specifically for Copy.AI you can see the search is before and the search is now. So of course it's the peak time. People are searching like never before because AI is now the most efficient and the most effective, as I said to you guys. Now let me just tell you why I've chosen Copy.AI. Well, the thing is, Copy.AI is the only AI which I think is the most closest to e-commerce and drop shipping. If you just go to Copy.AI and sign up for them, you will simply go to a dashboard like this. Now when you come to this dashboard, you will see that on the left hand side you can see there are some tools which you can see: product descriptions, digital ad copy, startup tools, website copy, blog, email, social media, sales. A lot of tools are there, and if you simply click on any of it, you can see there are lots many more inside them, and there are particular category, or I would say particular tools for particular tasks. If you can see, if you want to generate a Facebook headline for a Facebook post, you can simply use this tool. But if you want to generate a Google description or a Google headline, then you can use this tool. So there are different tools for different platforms and for different purposes, like for descriptions, for headlines, for ad copy, for LinkedIn too. So you will find different purposes and different platforms in these tools to make sure that you get the best result for your search. Now this is the biggest reason why I like Copy.AI the most. So now let's see how these tools can benefit you, can help you in your dropshipping journey. Now let me give you a scenario. As you know that in our testing phase, we test different products every single day, right? We have so much work to do. We find different products in different niches. Sometimes it's a pet product, it's a beauty product, then it's a household product, different products, and every different product has a different information, different specifications. And every time you add a new product to your store, you have to write your unique own description, your own copywriting for ads, your own taglines, your own hashtags, and your own Instagram captions, Facebook headlines, and whatnot, right? You have to write them all by yourself to make sure that the thing is unique to you, and that's how you get the most sales, right? You just cannot copy and paste other dropshippers content. And because you have to write by them yourself, it takes a lot of time, because you have to first do the research about the product, you have to know the product properly, then you have to make sure whatever you're writing is in a proper English, and by proper English you need to have proper grammar, proper meanings of words, and everything you have to keep in place. And as I know that most of you guys mostly don't have English as your primary language, so you will find some difficulty in writing product descriptions and taglines and captions and copywriting for ads by yourself, and then you just simply copy from others, which is not recommended, right? So these AI tools are now here to help you guys. Now you do not need to know English very well, you just need to know English a little bit so that you can understand what you're writing and what the AI is giving to you, and that's it. Let me just give you a quick example. Let's say if you have a product and you want a product description for the product. So I will just simply go to this tool Copy.AI. I will click on product description, click on product description here, and now it will just open a window in front of me like this, right? And I can simply write about my product where it says describe your product. So let's say if I have a product, it's a pet ball toy. So I will just simply write a product description. You have to just tell the AI what it needs to do, right? You have to, I told the AI that you need to write a product description for a pet ball toy product, or I can just simply remove this. So write a description for a pet ball toy product, right? So I've told that the product is a pet ball toy. You need to just give what the product is about, right? You just don't have to put the names of the product. You have to tell the AI that, hey, the product is a pet ball toy. It could be a beauty product, so you have to write a description for a beauty product, or you can say write a description for an eyeliner, write a description for a lipstick, whatever you are trying to sell, right? You just need to give it a bigger picture so that the AI can understand what it needs to do. Now simply you can just put the name, and that's it. Now you have to choose a tone, now which you can change, but I just like to keep it friendly. Then I have to click on create content. Now just wait a few seconds and you will be amazed by seeing the amount of content you are getting right here. As you can see, right in front of you, a lot of paragraphs are there, and you can click on make more to make even more paragraphs out of these AI. So you get all these results. Now let us just read one paragraph. So let's say if this one, right? The pet ball is great for indoor and outdoor cats. It will entertain and satisfy them for hours with its different activities. The toy contains cotton filling and feels like a cat's favorite plush ball. The unique design allows it to roll up so that it can be packed up easily when not in use. Now guys, this is all written by the AI. I have not wrote anything, right? The AI has written it down so perfectly. I would have never thought about this. The toy contains cotton filling and it will entertain and satisfy them for hours. These are the keywords which the AI thinks will work best for your product descriptions, and they have inserted in your descriptions. Now this is just one tool. This is only for product description. You can simply click on digital ad copy, or let me show you. General, you can go to general ad copy from here, and you can write a ad copy for a pet ball toy product, right? Again, the same thing. I have told that this time write a ad copy. You can remove this line also, but I just like to add it because if I just remove it, see what happens. It says that short input, right? So I just kind of avoid it so that the AI works the best, and it thinks that I have given much input even though I haven't. So yeah, again, that tone is friendly. Simple things I have told that write an ad copy for a pet ball toy product. And here we have the ad copies or the Facebook headlines or whatever you want to call them for your marketing, for your ads. This is just like a regular ball, but it squeaks and made of material animals love. Oh, that's a simple, classy headline. Pet ball toy is here. Made of durable material with funny cartoon pattern, it's a great toy for your lovely dog. Order now to get a free gift to catnip. Now, of course, you can customize everything you want to, right? If there is no free gift, you can remove it, or if there is no catnip, there is something else, you can modify that. Everything can be customized as per your product's needs, right? Because this is just a bigger picture. You can customize, you have to customize every single line if you want to. Pet ball toys are the perfect way to play with your pet. You can throw them, hide them around the house, and more. Buy pet toys online from Pet Ball Toys or whatever your site is today. Simple and so much effective headlines or copywriting that you get from this tool. Now this is how AI is making our life simpler, right? Before you need to think, you have to do brainstorming about the product descriptions, about the product copywriting and ad copywriting. But now you just need to tell the AI that, hey, I have a product about this, give me some product description. give me some captions, give me some copywriting, give me some hashtags. You can also find hook generators, right? Because there's some hook in your copywriting, so you can just go to hook generator, hashtag generator, and you will find so many hooks. So let me just say, right, make a hook for a pet ball. Yeah, so let's just see what the AI gives to us for hook generator. A ball toy that entertains your pet and helps them stay healthy at the same time. This is a hook. A ball toy which entertains and makes your pet stay healthy at the same time. Now, this is something interesting. I haven't seen a ball toy which makes my pet healthy. This is interesting. Let me just click on this ad. Boom, that's how you get clicks. And also, guys, there is a marketing angle generator in the sales copy. If you see this and you click on it and you just write again simply your product, and I typed in pet ball toy, I click on create content, and this is the content I'm getting. Now, if you can see that all these headlines or taglines are here are with an angle. So let's say this one is all dogs go nuts for it and they're gonna love you too. Wow, this has an angle. It shows that the product they are going to get will make their pet love them more. Okay, and the other will be it's on average 3 times bigger than other toys. Well, it's a sizing angle which is not particular with fit with every product, but if you go up, then here you will see that keeps your pet entertained for hours, super easy to make and fun for everyone involved. Now here the marketing angle is not only with the pet, it is also with the owner or with the person who is involving in that stuff. So that's the marketing angles this AI is giving to you, different marketing angles that you can use in your tagline or in your descriptions or in your copywriting, and you can make an ad around it, and these will be so much helpful. You will find new marketing angles with these simple lines, and then you can create new ads with these marketing angles, and surely it will help you a lot, guys. This is how the new dropshipping journey will be from 2023, right? Because these AIs are now here to help you with everything, and this is all for free. And of course, Copy.AI has a free plan where you get 2000 words per month. No credit card required, just sign up, and you will also get 7-day free trial for pro plan, and you will have everything, pretty much everything, just 2000 words per month limit, which is kind of okay. You can use that, and after you see some good results from using these tools, you will see increase in your conversion rate and more sales on your products. Then you can of course reinvest into this tool with the pro plan, which is only $49 per month. I will give my unique link in the description so that you can go ahead and check that out. If you want to buy, then you can register for Copy.AI from that link below in the description. And so you can start off with $0, no problem at all. So pricing is not an issue with this AI. And yes, there are a lot more tools in this AI which I haven't shown you because there are a lot and I don't have that much of time to show you. But the thing is, the process is same with every tool. You just have to tell what's your topic, what's the product is all about. Just tell the AI what to do, choose a tone, and click on create content, and boom, 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 that's it. Just 3 clicks, you will get your desired results. And if not, then you can do some customizations in those particular outputs that you get from the AI and make it suit your own needs. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you got some value and you understood how AI is changing the whole game. And I just wanted to share this whole thing with you because I don't want you to be outdated. I want you to be updated about everything that is going on in the e-commerce and dropshipping industry, because I want my audience to be ahead of others. And other will be still doing everything by themselves, and they will be writing whole descriptions, taking whole day long, whereas you guys will be smart enough to use these free tools and generate product descriptions, generate copywriting in just a few clicks, and your new product will be ready in just 1 hour to launch and get you more sales. So That's why I shared this with you guys, and I hope you got some value from this video. And if you did, then do make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you.
A car pulls up, who can it be? A fresh Rolls Royce with a real OG. He rolled down his window and he started to say,
you need a Shopify mentor to up your game. Cause the store's on the web, but what we make, we keep running the maths, we keep killing the game. Knowing nothing in life but the way to get paid. You could quote me, boy, here's the link to my